Good morning. I have the hiccups. So we're gonna make this quick. You guys ever get those hiccups where like it hurts? It hurts your throat. It hurts your whole body. And it makes you jump. Alright. So yesterday we did the 10 self-care things I can do any day of the week. So today we're doing the very next anytime prompt, number 47. 10 self-care things I can do when I have more, oh my god, time or money. That was a bad one. Anybody in here a Slytherin? I'm a Slytherin. Alright. 10 things I can do when I have more time in my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ouch. What even are hiccups? I read somewhere once that hiccups are when your heart gets out of rhythm or something. That sounds scary. But they're so random. Oh man. So, things I can do when I have more time and money. Ouch. I'm gonna write a spa day. I'm like holding my breath, trying not to hiccup. Oh man, when you guys hiccup, what does it sound like? Because I've seen people hiccup where it's like a tiny little squeak, or it actually sounds like the word hiccup. My ex accused me once of burping when I had the hiccups. Like he says, you don't have the hiccups, you're just burping. Does my hiccups sound weird? See, I'm gonna go for a bike ride. Go out to eat. Ooh. That almost screwed up my handwriting. Weekend getaway? Shopping? Like retail therapy type shopping? I don't think there's anything wrong with retail therapy as long as it doesn't put you in the poorhouse, like keep your spending in check, but if you want to buy something just to make yourself happier right now in this moment, go for it. Oh my god. I got 5 more. What else? Do my nails, my hair. I've been wanting to fix my hair for a few weeks now. It's like all the darker colors completely washed out, which I think is really weird. Like the purple and the blue that I had in there, completely washed out. but the pink is still in there. And some spots, it's still really dark. But I've been wanting to re-dye it for a while. When I don't have enough time or money. Ooh, that was a bad one. Alright, well, I have 4 more things that I need to think of, so I'm going to go think of those things. And try and get rid of my hiccups. Alright, I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is day 23. We've been journaling for over 3 weeks. It's crazy. Have you guys been actually journaling? Or is it just me? Am I all by myself? You guys let me know in the comments what you're journaling about. Show me pictures of your journal. I'll talk to you guys later.